for so long? It's because we moved to the new Spanish Playhouse. Come on, I'll show you around. We have a cocina. Do you know what a cocina is? A kitchen. Could you say cocina?
Cocina.
Good job. Now let's go to la casita. Look, we have a dollhouse with lots of cute ratoncitos. Come on, let's go upstairs so I can show you more. Let's show you the little playhouse. Come on. We also have un columpio, a swing. Do you want to see my favorite spot? El trapecio. I'd love to show you more, but let's play a game. Guess the sound. Come on, let's go. Sounds are all around us and they help us understand the world. Are you ready to hear some sounds with me? Let's go. That is a bell, una campana. Next sound. That's a bird, un pájaro. Next sound. That's rain, lluvia. Un elefante, an elephant. Next sound. Un cerdo, a pig. Next sound. A whale, una ballena. That was fun and a little silly. Thank you for hearing the sounds with me. Until next time.